Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to IIUM Academy, your pathway to excellence.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings and salam sejahtera. My name is Dr. Badri Najib bin Zubair, the Dean of IIUM Academy of Graduate and Professional Studies. In short, IIUM Academy. IIUM Academy is located within the International Islamic University Malaysia, being an integral unit of the university. We are located in Kuala Lumpur, and this university has a mission of integration and internationalization. With this combination, we believe that students who graduate from our university will be able to contribute more meaningfully to the society. With a potent combination of internationalization and integration of knowledge, the students will be able to contribute not only nationally, but also on the global scene. For that reason, I invite all the potential students to consider coming to IIUM and at first IIUM Academy of Graduate and Professional Studies. Thank you and wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.